This is the JHE GET. It's a low profile end seal kit. This is the easiest kit to install I have seen to this date. I've got a notch there, the inner core, and you can see the braid is cut all the way back to cleaned up. There's no braid showing at all. Instructions, that's what they called for. That's what I did. You slide your grommet in there, and you start screwing in that clamp, and that's it. As soon as you are done screwing it in, probably be a lot faster with a battery operated drill or an impact, but regardless, you guys get it. Yeah, nice and easy, very simple to use. And there it is. You can see the seal in there, the grommet sealed, watertight, good stuff. Good product. Very easy to install.